Now, your ABC7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
The 65-degree air temperature and a dew point, a very comfortable 56. Gotta love that dew point value, making the relative humidity at 73%. A lot of starry sky out there, but there will be periods of some cloud cover across the region during the morning hours, but it'll be few and far between. They'll come in, they'll go out, and we'll be left with sunshine as we head through the morning and into the afternoon. That'll help boost our temperatures, certainly. East-northeast wind will also help boost our temperatures. Reason? A couple of reasons, actually. One, it'll keep the sea breeze from forming. And two, it will take heated air over land from interior sections of Florida and transport it into our area. So our daytime high today will be similar to yesterday, coming in the upper 80s. We hit 89 yesterday. And many locations, I think, in central Florida will probably hit or even exceed the 90-degree mark over the next several days. So that's certainly a possibility. 66 by 7, we'll look at 86, 85 rather, by the time we get to 12 noon, and then 87 as we hit 3 p.m. So with an easterly wind flow, we'll continue to see temperatures again soar this afternoon. There may be a shower or two because of the east wind picking up moisture off the Atlantic and then drawing it close to the east coast of the state. But those few showers that do build that way are going to be isolated to the other coast. And really, it's going to be even tough to get those showers going. Anywhere in this green zone, though, there's the possibility of a shower, but then everything kind of falls apart as it gets into the Suncoast area. So don't expect rain today, another dry one, as fire danger indices continue to rise across the Suncoast. Big ridge of high pressure sits over us. A low pressure area sits back to the west. That's the way it often is on our weather maps. You'll see stormy conditions back west. You'll see pleasant conditions along the east coast. And that's a pattern that's kind of locked in. This is what we call a cutoff low, which basically means it's cut off from any kind of steering currents. So it's going to meander for several days. And there's the potential for severe weather for several days because of it in parts of the open plains and the heartland. As we head into the next 24 hours, I think this will probably be a weather maker in terms of producing tornadoes back to the west. For us, the big ridge of high pressure brings us this easterly wind flow, and the air aloft is sinking. So as you get this sinking dome of high pressure, you don't get much in the way of rising air underneath of it. And how do you get rain? You take moist air, you make it rise, it cools, condenses, and produces rain showers. And if you can't get it to rise, well, you're not going to get the rainfall around. High pressure stays with us for the next several days. We have a general easterly wind flow continuing, and we get those warm afternoon temperatures even at the coastline because that sea breeze is just unable to become very strong. So sunny and warm today, dry this entire week, and east wind continues for today. The one thing you will notice is that our surf temperature will probably start to decrease just a little bit, already has, will decrease a little bit because that east wind will promote upwelling, which is what they have all the time on the Pacific coast. East wind coming in at about 5 to 10 also makes them for pretty nutrient waters right along the coastline, so fishing might be a little bit enhanced. East wind coming in at about 10, kind of surging a little bit in the afternoon. Forecast looks like this. We'll have today a daytime high topping out about 87. Same thing tomorrow. Over the next several days, we stay very, very warm. By the time we get to Sunday, we'll have a weak front come through and maybe cool us a degree or two, but we'll still be above average in our daytime highs.